Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybiz News. Bounce Infinity has started the production of the E1 electric scooter from its manufacturing facility in Rajasthan. The deliveries of Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooters are expected to start on April 18. Bounce launched its first electric scooter E1 in December last year with a swappable battery as a service with a battery and charger. The Bounce Infinity E1 comes with 5 colored options: Sporty Red, Sparkle Black, Pearl White, Desat Silver and Comet Grey. Bounce Infinity E1 is the only scooter in India with dual options in swappable battery, a scooter with battery as a service and scooter with a battery and charger. The Bounce Infinity E1 has features like power mode, reverse mode, cruise control and drag mode. Its 2 kilowatt battery is waterproof and reliable and can be powered the scooter through all climatic conditions, even during hot summers or wet monsoons, the company claims. Meanwhile, Bounce Infinity is targeting 10 cities to set up a minimum of 300 battery swap stations per city to provide battery swapping. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.